Are you ready to crank up production in your screen printing shop? Well, here is how to get your RileyCure 246 or 248 conveyor dryer dialed in and running smoothly. We're going to start by plugging it in. It's always important to have a qualified electrician wire up your dryer connection to make sure your dryer is running safely and effectively. Also note that if you're running at a lower voltage, your dryer won't get quite as hot. Next, let's turn our belt on, set to about a level 4 so it's not running too fast. We'll run some garments through whatever we're printing that day. This allows us to set the gate height before the dryer gets too hot. If you notice that your belt is not tracking properly, you're gonna go to the back end of the dryer, loosen the side bolts slightly, and then make adjustments with those knobs very, very slightly. If it's tracking to the right, loosen the left knob and tighten the right. Once the belt is running, we're gonna flip on our temperature switch. Use your digital controls to set your desired cure temperature. To change the temp up or down, simply press up or down on the control panel. To toggle between tenths, hundredths, or thousandths positions, you're gonna wanna hit the enter button. Once your dryer is set to the correct temperature, you're gonna wanna hit set. Note, don't hit set first because it will take you into your dryer control panel, and we don't wanna make any adjustments to the factory settings. The best part is when your dryer is set and you go to turn it off at the end of the day, it will save your settings the next morning when you fire it back up. As your dryer is heating up, the red light will turn on as it's applying power to the heating element. When you're up to temp, that light will turn off and you're ready to cure. At the end of your production day, turn off your heating element first and let the belt run for about 10 minutes in order not to damage it. And that's it. You're ready to cure with confidence in your screen printing shop with the Riley 246 or 248 conveyor dryer.